Hi guys, got a minute? Today we're making an incredibly delicious and healthy version of spaghetti carbonara. We're using spelt pasta and turkey bacon. The ingredients needed are spelt pasta, Parmesan cheese, turkey bacon, eggs, onion, and some olive oil. Add a few tablespoons of olive oil in the skillet and cook the bacon until it's crispy. Chop up 1 onion and beat 5 eggs in a bowl, gradually adding 5 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, mixing in between. Remove the bacon from the skillet and add in your chopped onion. Sauté it for a few minutes. Add a little bit more olive oil. And now chop up your bacon into small pieces. Of course, you can use regular bacon with this recipe, but turkey bacon is significantly lower in overall fat content compared to regular pork bacon. Add the chopped bacon back into the skillet. Cook your pasta as per the instructions on the package. You can use regular white pasta for this recipe, but we prefer to use spelt pasta as it's filled with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It helps keep you full longer and it reduces blood sugar spikes. Add your drained pasta to your skillet. Now add in your egg mixture and toss until everything is well mixed and thoroughly heated. Plate your pasta and be sure to sprinkle with a little bit more Parmesan cheese. Spaghetti carbonara is a classic and simple Italian pasta dish that's very quick to whip up for dinner. Buon appetito and thanks for watching!